Hello, Panda here, and today we are continuing Silksong. So yeah, let's go! Didn't kill you earlier because I needed to get to the bench. Ah! Remember, lava's down there. Ah! Screw this. I'm healing. I guess we head this way. Going here. Oh. A lot like City of Tears, isn't it? That's neat. I don't know why I decided to heal that. Probably because I felt in danger in this area. Deep docks. Ooh. Ah! Oops. Okay. Ow! What's this way? She's here. There you are. Child wailing near. What do you make of this huge droning structure? The scale of it all impresses me. If this is merely an outpost of the citadel above, then their capital must be grand beyond measure.
Yes, correct.
Yoka, perhaps so. They must have pride in the works done here. To build something so vast in such a dangerous place. Yes. And, oh, you get this one. And I'll come back to you with more rosaries. Yes. No thanks, I don't have any. I guess you gotta pay to call the guy. Oh, I know, open it, right, like stag stations. Yeah, I failed to take this before. Oh my god, I don't have any money. That's unfortunate as hell. Oh hell. Ah! Ow! Need a way of making more money. No! There's another one right past that bench. Best chance of getting money. Ow. Noted. How many do I have? 26. Not 30. Well, now you. Now let's look at the thing. Exactly. That is what the thing. Okay. Yeah, that's the thing I was looking for before. Looks like all that possible is just to another area. Ow, oh, I want the bench. Without being burnt to a crisp. Yes. Hell yeah. Not going that way, I guess. Not here for you. I'm gonna check that one. Ooh. No!
Yes, got it.
No much in here. Really? Whoa, I guess I'm looking for something then. Maybe something that lets me dash. Hold on a sec. Back. What the hell is that? Ah! Curses! Noted! Attack that guy from the opposite side of the platform he's on. At least try. Ah! And that's made me. Ow. Like, geez, that one went running for its life. I guess I have to check this room then. don't know. What was that for? I mean, maybe it's actually something I needed. What'd I grab? Seriously. What did I grab? Ah! Bad, very bad. Ow. At the seventh bell toll, send 30 measures, 4 beats smoke rocks, 8 beats sweat smelt, mark of fealty, all workers. At the 9th bell toll, send 12 measures, 2 beats smoke rock, 7 beats sweet smelt, mark of fealty, all workers. What? That's all just gibberish to me. Oh dear. Well done! I should heal it in the air instead of on the ground. I was trying to, but I pressed B before A because my finger slipped. Well, I know where to go. Hi, bye. My rosaries are at stake. Ow. Everything is shaking. What? Okay. Okay. Nice, a bench. What's over here? Oh, hi. Ah, small, pointy bug. Why do you bother us at work? The sounds of your craft called me to investigate. Oh, wait. That's Hornet. The sound of your craft called me to investigate. What is your duty here? Are you a smith of some kind? A smith? Hardly, so crude. We are forge daughters. How can a pointy bug not tell? Ours is the ancient line and honored role. These docks and lands around are fortunate to have our skill.
Then a friend.
If you are as talented as you suggest, would you lend me your aid? I've been lacking my usual tools, and I suspect you could find replacements. Blades and traps, no doubt. We know your type. Of sorts. Maybe strange to this land. Some would likely prove fine challenge for your craft. Then we'll construct them, but you'll provide the materials and compensation for our time. I have no money! Sorry, I can't buy any of these. Hang on one sec.
Borovara. Fa, Leona.
Mieszko. Kraki.
Golden